Assalamu alaikum. Alright guys, welcome back to a brand new video. So today we're going to be unboxing two Trafalgar Law figures. We've got these two. Starting off with Trafalgar Law from the Punk Hazard arc, followed by the Onigashima arc. Let's go. We'll start off with him running. Let's go. Comes with their stand. Two stands. Take him out of the bag. Oh, this is cool. Just stand like this. And there we have it. All the details. And I am currently wearing this outfit from Punk Hazard. Just for this first outfit. Just for this first figure. Very nice. Now we'll move on to the second, which is the Onigashima arc. This one. Onigashima outfit with the cape. Also comes with his sword, a stand. Very nice details. And him doing chambers. Side by side. Very nice figures. I was able to pick these two up last week, and I'm very happy with them. Peace. Chambers. See you guys in the next video.